This is Samsung Galaxy A54 5G, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can enter and use the camera pro mode on this device. So to start, you will need to launch the camera itself, then among the available modes or at the modes list, scroll to the More section, and among the More modes you will find the Pro mode. Next, once enabled, the Pro mode allows you to manually change the value for such camera parameters as ISO, the shutter speed, exposure, focus distance, and the white balance. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.